Hi, today I'll show you how to easily remove and change the ear pad cushions on the JBL Quantum 300 gaming headset. This guide also works for the JBL Quantum 100, 200, 400, 600, and JBL Quantum 800 models because the ear pad mounting mechanism is the same on all of them. To remove the ear pad, you'll need a flat tool. Push it between the ear pad and the headphone housing, then gently pry the ear pad away from the headphones. Do this in several spots around the ear pad until it comes off. The ear pads are held in place by several small plastic hooks. Repeat the same steps on the other side, but be careful not to break any of the plastic hooks. Next, get the new ear pads. The link to them is in the video description. Take the new ear pad. The right side is the one without the cable. Center the pad on the headphone housing and push it in. If you hear a clicks, it means you did everything correctly and the pad has locked into place. Then do the same on the left side. This is the side with the cable. Make sure the pad is centered on the plastic pins and press the pad until it locked into place. And that's it. This is how you can easily replace your old ear pads. Have a nice weekend.